In this video, you'll learn how to make payments using your eBay credit card. By following these steps, you will be able to smoothly complete your transactions on the platform. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various account preferences. On the Account Settings page, locate the Payment Methods section. Here, you will find options to add or manage your payment methods. Click on the option to add a new payment method. A form will appear requesting details for your eBay credit card. Enter your card number, the expiration date, and the security code. It is crucial that your billing address matches the information associated with the card to prevent any transaction declines. After entering your credit card details, review the information for accuracy before saving it. Once saved, your eBay credit card will be available for future transactions. Next, when you decide to purchase an item, proceed to the checkout page. During the checkout process, you will see a list of available payment options. Select your eBay credit card as the payment method. Before finalizing the payment, carefully verify the total amount displayed. This is a good time to check for any promotional offers or rewards linked to your credit card. Additionally, understanding your card's interest rates and billing cycles is important to avoid unexpected charges. Responsible use of your eBay credit can help enhance your credit management. Once your payment is confirmed, monitor your card account regularly. This ensures that you stay updated on transaction records and confirmations. Pay attention to upcoming payments and their due dates. It's also important to verify that all charges align with your purchases made on eBay. If you notice any discrepancies, contact customer support immediately for assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.